Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Dig is installed and that you have basic network access. Once done, confirm the DNS server IP and check connectivity with ping. Now run Dig example. Comma to request a records, you will see an answer section, authority section, and additional info. Pay attention to the query time and server used. This first actionable step gets you live DNS output immediately, so you can iterate quickly based on the results. You now expand into more detailed Dig usage by combining flags and record types. For quick checks, use +short. For diagnosing delegation, use +trace to see each server in the resolution path. Request MX, TXT, AHA, SOA, or CNAME to inspect different DNS data and understand why mail or services behave a certain way. If you need to compare resolvers, run Dig at 8 example. Com MX versus. You finish by extracting the precise data you need for automation and diagnosis. Use +null +answer to output only answers, and check TTL and SOA serial to confirm propagation state. Look at response codes. Servfail or NX domain tells you where to dig further. If results vary, query multiple resolvers and target the authoritative server with Dig at NS1. Example. Com example. Com SOA to validate zone config. One key troubleshooting tip. When in doubt, compare authoritative answers directly. This reveals configuration versus cache issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.